Experiencing charging problems with your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max in your Tesla Model 3? You're not alone. This video will guide you through the most common causes and solutions. As of late 2025, the primary culprits are usually alignment issues, incorrect power settings, or simple interference. We'll explore each of these and get you charging in no time. The Tesla Model 3 uses Qi-compatible inductive charging technology. This system transfers energy through electromagnetic fields between the charging pad and your iPhone. The Model 3's charging pad can output up to 15 watts of power. However, the iPhone 17 typically caps charging at 7.5 watts for MagSafe compatibility. For optimal charging, precise alignment is crucial between the iPhone's receiver coil and the Tesla's charging pad. Alignment is crucial for wireless charging. Even a small misalignment of just 1 to 2 centimeters can stop your iPhone 17 from charging in the Tesla Model 3. Center your iPhone 17 directly on the charging pad. Look for the subtle indent or LED indicator on the Tesla's console as a guide. Some users find that removing phone cases helps with better alignment. Tesla issued Service Bulletin SB 2025-004 recommending this check. Apple's iOS 18.2 update added a charging alignment notification in settings to help guide you through this process. Tesla allows you to customize charging power through the touchscreen under controls greater than charging. Ensure it's set to auto or high power. The low power setting may not provide enough power for the iPhone 17 to initiate charging. After Tesla software update V 2025.12.1, these power calibrations were addressed and have helped with consistent charging. Outdated software on either your Tesla or your iPhone can prevent wireless charging from working properly. Ensure both devices have the latest software updates installed. Tesla's V 2025.12.1 update and Apple's iOS 18.2 update specifically addressed wireless charging compatibility issues. For the Tesla, check the touchscreen menu for available software updates. The V 2025.12.1 update improved power output calibration for better device compatibility. For the iPhone, go to Settings and check for iOS updates. The iOS 18.2 update enhanced wireless charging diagnostics to help detect and resolve alignment problems. Regular updates ensure both devices communicate effectively for seamless wireless charging.